1, 2, 3, and so take me down the road that's a little bit windy, to a place they still put sugar in their iced tea, where the women all fine and the love is fair.
So I literally got to drive today.
Yeah, driver, you can drive me off anywhere.
Boop, boop. Bye.
Hey driver, pull on over.
We were
I'm in a fight with God. This Carolina shoulder seems the place I'm getting on. Daddy always told me, never make a home on the road while your lady's sneaking out and the kids are growing old. Hey driver, I've been riding this lonely way too long. All the love I had worth giving was all spent.